Hi, this is JRG-Jump Rope Grandma, and today I want you to focus on the tree that is behind me. Now, I know over the years this tree had a lot of rain that fell on it, and a lot of wind that blew, and a lot of hurricane, and that's how it is with us in life. A lot of times we may go through a foreclosure, a bankruptcy. Someone may talk bad about us. A friend may leave us. But that's only going to be a part of making us green and making us vibrant. There might be people, our family members, they'll say, you can't sing, but don't worry about it. That's making you the person that you are, and I love you so much for it, and it has made me the person that I am, JRG, and this is my jump for today. And this is JRG, Jump Rope Grandma, signing off. Until the next time, and as always, I love you.